Alright, what's up y'all? It's your boy, Trail the Trainer. I'm back, and in today's video, I'm going over all the essentials that every stylish guy should have available in their car. Now first, let me get straight to this point. You don't have to have a foreign car, $100,000 car. Whatever your whip is, whatever the price is, it's yours. So treat it as such. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I know for me, my car is like my sanctuary. It's almost like my second home. It's ultimately a representation of myself. Now, 9 times out of 10, if your car is dirty or filthy, guess what? That shows a lot about who you are. You're probably a dirty person. If you're not, it just looks that way. So I say all of that to say that you must take care of your car, especially if you consider yourself to be a stylish guy. Alright, check this out guys. This list does not include the obvious things that you need, like jumper cables, first aid kit, spare tires. If you don't already have those in your car, this video is probably not for you. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Coming in at number 1 on this list, I believe every stylish guy should have in his car is some sort of gym bag, work bag, handbag, something that you can keep all the essential items that you need throughout the day. Whether that's gym shoes for when you want to go to the gym shorts, extra t-shirt, maybe a fitted hat, whatever that you need to get you through the day. Not only should this bag be stylish, it should also be functional. What does that mean? It should serve some sort of purpose. So check out this bag that I just got from Marshall's for around $30. And basically you can wear it 3 different styles. You can wear it as a backpack, you can carry it as a suitcase, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag. Whatever fits your style or functionality for that day. And to be honest, I'm in love with my new bag. It's perfect to store anything I need for rainy days. Alright y'all, speaking of rainy days, that brings me to my next essential on this list. It's super important that you guys keep an umbrella in the stash. You ever just been rushing, ripping and running and forgot to look at the news or weather channel for the morning, and then all of a sudden it's pouring down raining? Or you set up a date and then it just started raining out of nowhere. Guess what? Now your whole outfit is ruined. Your date, 9 times out of 10, she's not happy. But you could save the day if you just kept some sort of umbrella in your car. Now I just used this small umbrella that I bought for about 20 bucks from Target, and I just keep it in my back seat just in case. Now not only are you saving the day, but it also shows her that you're prepared. Women love guys who are always prepared. Coming in at number 3 on this list, and it's probably my favorite. You guys know I love to stay looking good. I love to stay stylish. I love fresh breath. I love keeping my hair intact, everything. Next on this list is Hygiene Kit. Now it's super important to keep your hygiene kit just in case. What guy doesn't want to stay fresh and neat throughout the day, even when on the go? Now my personal hygiene kit, it includes breath mints, it includes some sort of gum, a brush, a comb, lip balm, Vaseline, all the essentials that I need to keep fresh throughout the day and looking good. Coming in at number 4 on this list is car spray, some sort of smell good. Now you ever get into somebody's car and you just like, what the hell? It smells like ass. Like, what did you eat, bro? I can still smell it. Or did you step in poop? Whatever it is, it just smells so bad. You don't want to be that guy. Especially if you're picking up a nice date, you just want to spray, a quick spray to have the whole car smelling good, put a smile on her face, and I guarantee you it'll set a great first impression on the type of guy you are. Number 5, you definitely don't want to take this essential lightly, because every place that you go might not accept credit cards. The ATM might be down. Whatever it is, you never know. So you want to keep at least $20 cash sitting around in your car. You don't want to be sitting somewhere stranded with just a credit card that might not work. You never know. Always be prepared. Better safe than sorry. Alright y'all, next on this list, I'm pretty sure most of you do it, but maybe you don't, but a car charger. I can't explain to you how many times a car charger has saved my life. It might be one of those long nights where I didn't get to put my phone on the charger at night, and then I have an early morning where I'm rushing, ripping and running, and then I look down and my phone is on 8%. I can't tell you how many times my car charger has saved the day for me, helped me to get over the hump so that I'm able to use my phone throughout the day. Alright, last and definitely not least on this list, fellas, you want to keep some sort of pocket knife or scissors available in your glove compartment, in the handle thing, wherever. Now don't be foolish, guys. This is for safety issues only. That's the sole purpose of having this pocket knife in your car. Now me personally, I've seen too many car accidents and movies where people just get stranded in their car because the seatbelt then locked up, the electricity went out of the car, and they just stuck. They're stuck. It's important to keep some sort of item that you can cut the seatbelt or whatever you need, but you want to keep some sort of knife or sharp item around so that you're able to cut yourself loose in case of emergencies. You never know whose life or even your own life that you may have to save. So it's important to keep some sort of object like a pocket knife around. Alright boys, that wraps it up. Those are my key essentials that every stylish guy should have available in their car on the go. Do not take these essentials lightly. If you found anything interesting in this video, anything that you use, that you don't use, please feel free to leave me a nice thumbs up. Also, make sure that you guys hit that link in the corner to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all I have. It's your boy, Trainer, and I'm out.